You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to stop WhatsApp from automatically downloading photos, videos, and documents to your phone. Open WhatsApp and tap the three-dot menu. Go to Settings, then Storage and Data. Tap Media Auto Download. You will see three sections: when using mobile data, when connected on Wi-Fi, and when roaming. For each section, you can choose what types of media auto download. Uncheck photos, videos, audio, and documents to disable auto download entirely for that network type. To prevent all automatic downloads, uncheck every box in all three sections. This means you will have to manually tap to download each media file you receive. You can also set exceptions for specific contacts. Go back to the main settings and tap Privacy under Default Message Timer. This is for disappearing messages, but for media control, you need to adjust the auto download settings as described. Remember, turning off auto download saves storage and mobile data but requires manual action to view each image or video. Your chats will show a download button next to media that hasn't been downloaded yet. You can also manage storage by going to Storage and Data and tapping Manage Storage to see and delete large files. For more simple WhatsApp tutorials, subscribe to the channel.